Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you and tell you how you can very easily change the lock screen timeout period on your iPhone. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like, comment after watching this video, and let's get started. So, we will need to go into the settings of the phone. After that, we're going to select Display. We're going to have to scroll down a little bit. We're going to select Display Setting. And here we also swipe down and select the Auto Lock section. And when we go to this section, we can see that we have this choice of time after which the lock screen waiting period will end. And we can choose from 30 seconds to 5 minutes wait time. And we can also choose the option of never. I, for example, chose the 5 minutes option, and that means that after 5 minutes of the screen being on, it will turn itself off. In order to save your battery, you can personalize what you think is the best time for you. This is the simple way you can change the lock screen timeout period on your iPhone. I hope this video helped you. Be sure to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to put likes and write your comments. See you soon, friends.